Welcome to Rochester Sensors 880 Cellular Radar Non-Invasive Installation Guide. Non-invasive installation plastic tanks, as demonstrated in this video guide, allow a non-invasive installation as an option. It is used where either a mounting hole is unavailable or where it is undesirable to cut a mounting hole in the tank. It involves installing an adapter on the top surface of the tank and mounting the sensor on this adapter. The 880 Cellular Radar Kit contains activation magnet, non-invasive adapter, non-invasive mounting O-ring, non-invasive adhesive pad, invasive rubber seal. First, select a position for best results. The sensor should be mounted horizontally, with a direct view of the liquid inside the tank without any obstructions. It should also not be mounted too close to the edge or near metallic objects. Ensure the tank area where the non-invasive adapter is to be installed is clean, free of grease or water, and dry. Remove the adhesive liner from the adapter. The adapter, with the liner now removed, is mounted onto the tank and firmly pressed down to form a good seal with the tank. The O-ring is used to ensure a watertight seal. Once the sensor is now installed on a tank, the next steps will involve waking the sensor from dormant mode and starting communications and making measurements. Activation. The magnet is held over the Rochester Sensors logo hotspot for approximately 2 seconds, until a double beep repeating approximately every second is heard from the internal beeper. The magnet is then removed. Thank you. If you have any questions, please contact sales@rochestersensors.com.